No, I don't know if you tried it or something. I don't know, but the remote is not working. What's the problem?
Good protection. You know, go hold me down. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me where fi do, where fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do me wanna follow you.
Welcome back to my channel. From the title, you guys know that I just got a new ring light. So yeah, we're going to be doing the unboxing today. These are the stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that came with the package. So yeah, I'm so excited. I did not get these things from any plug or whatsoever on Instagram or on YouTube or wherever. I don't know where you guys get your own stuff from. I literally went to the market to get these things. I'm the type of person that I hate buying things online. I like to buy what I can see, what I can test. So I hardly buy things online. Are you ready? I'm excited. Okay, so first off, we're just going to open the stand first. That's the tripod stand or whatever. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is what. Let me see what this one can do. Oh, no way! Are you kidding? No, this is super tall. Are you kidding me? And here I thought it couldn't go any longer. My God, it's long. Let me show you guys. Guys, this is what it's looking like. It's so tall. It's literally so close to my fan. Like, bruv. No way. No way. That is super cool. But this is not the length we want, sir. But it's good to know that you can at least extend it as far as this. But yeah, let's just leave it at this point. Okay, so our stand is ready. Let's unbox the ring light itself. Ta-da! Ta-da! Look guys, it comes in 3 phone holders. Are you kidding me? I'm going to transfer my phone now to this stand, this ring light. Let's see how bright. Let's check how bright this thing is. Yeah guys, as you can see, the ring light is on, obviously. Yeah, actually, I'm having a bit of trouble with this ring light. Things are not going according to plan. So the ring light came with a microphone. The ring light came with a remote, and I'm trying to operate it. It's not working. That was what even made me end the video, because I realized that I hadn't bought battery for it. So I went to get batteries, and I kept on discovering new things. Like, you can't put on the ring light except there is power supply, and the whole point of getting the ring light was because I hardly have light in my school hostel and in anywhere that I go to, because I'm the type of person that I take time when I want to get ready to shoot a video. I don't like to hurry, and that's the only way I can give you guys premium content. Don't rush me, please. So that was the whole point of getting a ring light, because by the time I'm ready to film, NEPA has taken light and everywhere is dark again. So now my problem is, I didn't solve my problem. But it's really bright. It's so freaking bright. Like, it's literally illuminating my room. Let me take you guys around with me, around my room. It's literally illuminating my room. Like, everywhere is lit. I love it. It's just that I have to always wait for NEPA to bring light. Nah. The whole point of buying a ring light was so that I can film whenever I want. People have 18 inches ring light, like Is this how you guys suffer? Because I feel this is suffering. What's the whole point of getting a light when you can't even use it when there's no light? By the way, the remote is not even working. Like, what's happening? What's happening, God? You know, the good thing about this is that I know the shop. It's a shop. I can go and scatter everywhere. Because what is this? The remote is not working at all. Anyways, let me show you guys how bright this thing is, because I haven't shown you guys the stuff. Okay, guys, so this is the ring light. As you can see, it came with 3 phone holders. It's super long, like I already showed you guys. It came with a charging whatever. See, once I pull it out, the light is off, and when I put it back, the light is back on. So anyways, yeah, this is the wire, and this is an adapter, as you guys can see. So yeah, I literally just plug this over here. This is the back of the ring light. There are a bunch of things here. I think this is somewhere you can charge something, I'm not sure, but yeah, I don't know what's this. Oh, okay, this is the part where I can like change the colors. Oh, crazy, man. Nice stuff. And this is the off and on switch. Once I unplug this now, you'll see it's gone. I don't know what to do, guys. This is so heartbreaking. Okay, let's see what the ring light is looking like. So this is the white color. Let's see what the next one is. This has been toned down a bit. Okay, now we have the warm color. This is a bit of like, should I say orange or what? I really don't know how this works. I'm just experimenting and stuff. But yeah, this is orange, definitely orange. Okay, let's see how it looks on me. So this is the bright white. Let me put it on the phone holder. Okay, this is the bright white color. Let's see what else we have. Did you notice any change? This is this super orangey color. Okay, this is crazy, man. But I think I like the bright white. Yeah, I might end up changing this stage. Lastly, the ring light came with this bag. It's the bag you use to carry the ring light and every other thing for like vlogging or traveling or whatever. It's quite handy. I think I like it, but it's bigger than me. But yeah, I think that's that for the video. I might change it and I'll update you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this video has helped you or you've learned a thing, because I definitely have learned something, that from 18 inches and above you cannot use without a light source, like a power source. You have to always have light, and in this country that I'm in, we hardly have lights. That was the whole purpose of buying the ring lights in the first place. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You can't tell me where fi do, where fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do me wanna follow you. Me not